Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Yeah, so straight to today's bars, we have Clemento Suarez shows off his twins for the first time on their birthday. Yeah, so comedian and actor Clemento Suarez has showed off his twins for the first time ever. Yeah, so the comedian really did a good job by hiding the news from the public and his fans for almost a year. So Clemento Suarez shared a photo and a video of his handsome twins for the first time as they celebrated their first anniversary, and this came as a surprise to many, including his colleague actors. Yeah, so wishing them a happy birthday, the comedian brought his comic side to play a bit by saying that senior, he is an actor, junior, he is a comedian, and all, he is daddy. Happy birthday, superheroes daddy loves. Okay guys, catch a glimpse of how the twins look like, and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Hey daddy.